Good phrasing is important for scratch DJs because it adds spice to the tracks that we play. But the question is, what is phrasing? Phrasing and scratching refers to how a DJ scratches rhythms to express a musical idea. It's a way to add creativity and enhance a song and make it sound better. But what does that really mean? Essentially, it's how we add to a track. Phrases are usually 4 bars, but they can be longer or shorter depending on the flow of the music. Here's the catch. It's up to you to decide what sounds best because there are no set rules. Everything depends on your preference and your style. Here's an example of a 4-bar phrase.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
This time, I'm going to give you an example of an 8-bar phrase. Listen carefully and see if you can hear a difference.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
In the last example, we changed the second 4 bars to make the phrase sound more interesting because we don't want to be repetitive. Remember, phrasing adds spice. Too much of the same thing can be boring and bland. What we just showed you were examples of musical ideas. The definition of phrasing sounds complicated and abstract, but it's really that simple. You can find hundreds of phrases to spice up your scratching in our book, Scratching Made Easy, Turntable Method Book 1, A Guide to Scratching. Links are in the description. Peace.